Welcome to Spiritual Mythbusters. I'm Nattie Tee, and today we're going to be busting the myth of you have to work hard to get what you want. If you'd like more spiritual myth-busting videos, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell, and make sure to watch right until the end for the full conclusion. Also, if you've got a myth that you'd like busted, make sure that you leave it in the comments. If you're into the law of attraction, or if you have sort of dabbled with it, chances are you've dabbled with it because things have been hard. Yeah, action is involved, but you'll find that you get more when you don't work hard. In fact, when it's fun, you get more stuff done. Okay, so the first thing to understand is that work and alignment are two different things. When you have to work hard at something, that's a red flag. That's a red flag. Please take this. It's golden. When you have to work hard, it is a red flag. It's telling you that you're trying to go against the energy that's flowing. In other words, you haven't lined your energy up. Your thoughts and beliefs are not working for you. So you've got to try and fight the inevitability of where they're taking you, and it's hard. Well, if it's not about working hard, then what is it about? Well, it's about lining up the energy.
Ooh, what a new age thing to say.
I mean, I'm pretty sure that even some law of attraction types are going, oh God, here we go. But it's true. I'm sorry, I'm just relating the facts that I've found. And so if you can line up the energy, find a way to make your thoughts and allow, that's a better word, allow your thoughts and your feelings to go in the direction that you want them to be going, you end up doing some things that may seem like mistakes, but lead you to exactly where you wanted to go. Do the opposite and don't line up the energy, and you find that even though you do the things that you know should take you to where you want to go, you don't get there. I've noticed, you may have too, the amount of times that we do things specifically so that we don't get a particular outcome, and yet get the outcome anyway. I specifically did this so that I wouldn't upset my partner, yet somehow your partner ends up getting upset anyway. That's because by trying not to do it, you are giving your attention to your partner getting upset, and by trying to change your actions so that that doesn't happen, you're just focusing on them getting upset, and they get upset anyway. Whereas if you put your focus on trying to make them laugh, you'll probably succeed. This is not about what you want. It's not about the thing. It's not about the car. It's about how you want to feel. If having a new car felt like a hole in the head and nothing else, you wouldn't want a new car. You want the car because of the way that the car will make you feel. Let's flip it for a minute, because that's not how the law of attraction works. And we know this because of how many times we've gone out there to try and get something so we can feel better. I'll feel better once I have the car. Just give me the car and I'll feel better. But you don't get the car. Why would you keep doing this thing that's not working? Because you don't know what else to do. Well, I'm here to tell you what else to do. Here's what you do. Find the feeling of the car. Because then you get to feel how you want to feel, whether the car comes or not. And if you keep practicing this feeling simply because it feels good and it's the way you want to feel, the car inevitably must come. So here is the conclusion of today's myth-busting episode. Creation can be easy if your thoughts and your emotions are supporting what it is that you desire. And if they are, you'll find that getting what you want isn't that hard. But if they're not in alignment with what you want, you'll find you have to work hard, which is why it's a red flag. The moment that you're finding you're working too hard for something, it's not an inspiration. It's not something that just makes you want to do it. You don't just feel like doing it. You've got to work hard and push through. That's an indication that you've got some shifting to do in here. So the conclusion of today is you have to work hard to get what you want. Myth. busted.